1. Warren Buffett, a legendary investor. Warren Buffett, known as one of the greatest investors of all time, has built his reputation on simple yet powerful financial principles. Despite his immense success, his advice is practical and accessible to anyone. Today, we'll delve into 10 genius financial strategies inspired by Buffett that anyone can use to build wealth and avoid common money pitfalls. 2. Invest in yourself. Buffett has often said, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. This isn't just about formal education, it's about lifelong learning. Buffett spends nearly 80% of his day reading, which builds knowledge like compound interest. For beginners, starting with 20 minutes a day is a great goal. Choose books, articles, or even YouTube videos that teach you skills aligned with your goals. Over time, this habit will give you a competitive edge in life and business. 3. The danger of credit card debt. Buffett is strongly against credit card debt. If you're paying 18 to 20% on credit card debt, you're going backwards, he warns. He personally uses cash 98% of the time. If you rely on credit cards, make it a priority to understand the terms, especially the fine print. These small details can significantly impact your financial health. For example, some cards may advertise no annual fees but include high late payment penalties. 4. Quality over quantity. In his 1989 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, Buffett wrote, "It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price." This principle applies to everyday life. Cheap alternatives may save money upfront, but they often cost more in the long run. For YouTube creators, investing in quality equipment, like a good microphone or camera, can elevate your content and attract more viewers. 5. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buffett is famously frugal. He doesn't splurge on the latest gadgets or designer labels. For years, he used a $20 flip phone and only upgraded to an iPhone in 2020. His philosophy: do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. As a content creator, this could mean skipping expensive software and leveraging free or affordable tools like Canva or DaVinci Resolve. 6. Don't buy new cars. Buffett avoids buying new cars because they lose value quickly. According to Kelley Blue Book, a new car depreciates by 20% in its first year. Instead, he opts for used vehicles, saving thousands of dollars. If you're mechanically inclined, you can even buy cars with minor issues, repair them, and sell them for a profit. This principle is about recognizing value and minimizing loss, a mindset that applies to any investment. 7. Build an emergency fund. While Buffett